everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to get your iPhone photos and videos on Windows laptops. Now just go to your browser and type download iCloud for Windows. Now at very first of the screen, you can able to see the official website from Apple, download iCloud for Windows. Just click on that. And now just click download iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store. The link will get you to the Microsoft Store. And start to downloading the iCloud app on the Microsoft Store, and it is completely free. And now my iCloud download is started. Now once your iCloud setup file has been downloaded on Microsoft Store, now click on your search button. Now click on the search button and type iCloud on Windows. Once you open the iCloud application, it will ask you to enter the Apple ID and password. Just enter your Apple ID and password. And before starting your iCloud application on Windows, just go to your iPhone and check whether all your photos have been uploaded to the iCloud or not. Now enter your OTP. Now all your iPhone photos and videos will be displayed on iCloud application, and it will be displayed one by one. I hope this video will useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.